We have another question on logarithm. Two questions. If log 3 log a plus 5 log a minus 6 log a equal to log 64, what is a? Now let's do the first one. And then the second one says simplify without using mathematical table. Log 30 over 16 minus 2 log 5 over 9 plus log 400 over 243. Now let's do the first one. The first one says, we have 3 log a plus 5 log a minus 6 log a to be equal to log 64. Of course, all these logs, since they did not indicate their base, they are in our normal log. That's log 10. Then log 10. So we either indicate log 10 this way, or you put the base. So either way is still correct. Now let's see how we're going to solve this. We are going to use the rules of logarithm, one after the other. We want to do it step after step. Now let's see, for the first one, this log a can actually be written as, log a raised power 3, and the other one we have plus. This one can be written as log a raised power 5, and then we have a minus log a raised power 6 to be equal to log 64. So from there we can combine these 3 to be log a raised power 3 times a raised power 5 divided by this minus to change divided by a raised power 6. So this is based on the law of logarithm, equal to log 64. So these 3 will actually be equal to log a. Combining this with indices, we have a raised power 3 plus 5 minus 6 equal to log 64. This will give you log a raised power 2 equal to log 64. So we can actually equate their numbers since we have the same log of the same base. Since both sides are logs of the same base, since both sides are log of the same base, equate their numbers. So we want to equate their numbers. It means that the number here is a raised power 2 and the number here is 64. So we have a raised power 2 to be equal to 64. So actually this one will give you a raised power 2 to be equal to 8 raised power 2. So again, since this, if you check it very well, the powers are the same, but the coefficients are not the same. Since their powers, their powers are the same, we want to equate their coefficients or their bases. Call it coefficient or basis. Coefficients, or we call it basis. So that's the rule of equality. What makes this to be equal to this is only when a equal to 8. So therefore we have a to be equal to 8. So that's the solution. This is the question here, and then we have the solution to be this. This is the answer, a to be equal to a. So that means if you fix 8 in here, you should be able to get the answer to be log 64. That's exactly what we're saying. And let's see the second question. We have the second question to be this. So, before we go to the second one, let's check the first question. You can check. Okay, let's check it. Let's say we want to fix it in check. We have 3 log 8 from the question plus 5 log 8, see if you are correct, minus 6 log 8. So from there you have it to be log into bracket 8 raised to the power 3 plus times 8 raised to the power 5 you have divided by 8 to the power 6. Directly this should give you log 64. If you do it very well, to give you log 64. So that means we are very, very correct. Now the second question now, we have question 2. We have log 30 over 16 minus 2 log 5 over 9 plus log 400 over 243. So law of logarithm, this will give you log 30 over 16 minus this will come up. We have it in log 5 over 9 raised by 2 plus log 400 over 243. So from there you have it to be combined. Then we have log 30 over 16 minus log 25 over 81 plus log 400 over 243. So from there, if you combine these three together, we have it to be log 30 to a single. We want to combine it to form them to a single logarithm since they are of the same base, divided by 25 over 81 times 400 over 243. So from there, you have it to be log 30 over 16 times 81 over 25 times 400 over 243. Because this division has changed to multiplication here, that's why it has to rotate their position. So from there, 25 year 1, 25 in 400 will actually give you 16. 81 year 1, 81 in 243 will give you 3. 16 year 1, 16 in 16 will give you 1. 3 year 1, 3 in 30 will give you 10. So we have it to be log 10. And log 10 base 10 is 1. So the final answer is 1. So this is the question here. We have the question to be this. This is the question here. Okay, this is the question. And then you have the solution to be this. So if you see any question like this, don't be scared. Just follow the rules of logarithm and you're going to find answers to the question. Do them step by step, don't rush, and then you see that the answer will be very, very simple. And imagine this, look at this question, and this is the solution. If you are not clear about something about what we have just discussed, please kindly post it on our official YouTube channel or on our website www.primetutorsolutions.com. We also appreciate if you have questions, you can post it there so that we will post a YouTube video on the solutions to the question. We appreciate you joining us on this YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next tutorial video. Thank you.